Hello everyone, this is Gunjit, and as you might know about the new Discord nameplates feature, so in this video I am going to show you how you can get Discord nameplates without having Discord Nitro or actually purchasing the nameplates from the shop. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. And before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button as we are closing in on 3k. So guys, with all that being said, let's jump right to the point. Alright, so first of all you would want to install Better Discord. So in order to do that, you would want to head over to betterdiscord.app, and once you are on this betterdiscord.app website, you would want to click on download. Now since I already have installed Better Discord, so I'm not going to do it again, and I don't think I need to go through the process as it is pretty much self-explanatory. Alright, so once you have installed Better Discord, in order to verify, you would want to head over to user settings, and then you would want to check if you have a Better Discord tab right here, or section, whatever you say. So if you are able to see this, then that means you have correctly installed Better Discord. Alright, so now you would want to join my Discord server. Like, you absolutely need to join it, otherwise this whole tutorial will be useless. Alright, so once you have joined my Discord server, you would want to head over to the nameplates channel right here, as you can see. And once you are in this channel, you are going to see a code like this. So what you would want to do is that you would just want to copy this, and now you would want to head over to user settings, and under the Better Discord section you are going to see an option called custom CSS. So you would want to click on that. Alright, so after copying this, you would want to head over to custom CSS, and you would want to paste in this code, and I'll save it real quick. And there's one thing that you need to take care of is your Discord ID. So I'll copy my Discord ID real quick, and now this is where you need to paste your Discord ID. So I'll paste my Discord ID right here. I'll click on save. And now what you'd want to do is that you'd want to refresh your Discord client. So let me do that. And as you can see that I've gotten my Discord nameplates, as you can see right here. And I do not have Nitro, as you can see, and it looks exactly the same like this guy who probably has Nitro. Yes, he does. So that's how you can get Discord nameplates without actually having Discord Nitro. The server link is in the description below. You can check it out. Goodbye, have a nice day.